So people, my cousin Tippy, she just sent me this video with her daughters washing grandma hair. So these two little kids are grandma great grandchildren. This is what my grandma love, and this is what my grandma prefer to stay around them because she feel alive when time, the grandkids them a play with her. Me say people, me say to Tippy, me have to post this on all of my social media platform. Yes. Una no see how them a wash granny here. Granny almost drown, So take in the video, people. Me a go make on the ear.
How are these done?
So go carry a soap up at the woman here.
Get
Can you shine go in there already,
Hey! Done.
Sure.
What is in my neck?
Me a cook.
What's there?
Come Emily, get clean water now.
If it's no water, no.
Emily, go for water for granny now. We not kill you woman with soap.
Sure. I want wet there for.
And then.
Let it go.
Take time, Emily. Go for more water. No, put the jug on and eat the granny.
Yeah?
Drop at the pail. Throw some and then don't throw the whole light, Emily. Throw that 9 here now. Yeah, I show that here.
Kara, kukuli.
I show the hair good now, and then I'm done.
Kula, kill him with the air. Oh my.
No wet, no bad man. Oh God. Wow.
Don't put no more in that one here. You deaf? Don't put none of that in that one here.
Not me ear.
Just wash out the ear now.
Nothing more not going on me ear.
The ear cool it. That's what I want you to drop off. No,
Go on, man.
yes.
Out your water.
Bring out the rag now,
Yeah.
granny, and dry off yourself.
Don't show no more.
I just try me out.
You
Try.
wait up you know.
Tiara!
Watch your man. Get in.
Don't bring out the rag now, granny. No more water. I want to wait up the woman.
Come and wait up, man.
Hey!
Granny, great granny, watching here.
Hold on now, wait up. Oh no, man, it's you know. Watch him. Take up the
Let me see me and gun, you know.
Take up the
Yes, people, no put on all people them in a care home. And every time them comfortable where love and affection is, and that's at home around them family, especially grandkids, great-grand and great-great-grand. Yeah, granny have all of that. Yes, right there. So big up Tippy and big up your daughters. Them love that video bad. But they have to post this.